Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the MEIKEE 6-in-1 solar lights set for our daily use. It comes with a 6 volt solar powered spotlight, and it looks really cool because everything what you need is included. We have an IP66 waterproof level, that means it can be installed outdoor. It's a solar landscape spotlight with 3 level lights for a garden, yard, pathway, downlight, and where you like to attach or assemble this. This 6-in-1 solar spotlight equipped with 6 volt solar panel and the built-in high-capacity built-in rechargeable battery can make a good job here. We have 3 color temperatures available with 2700K, 4000K, and 6500K with 3 levels of brightness you can use from. You can choose the right brightness and you can choose the right temperature. It comes with a flash, a smooth mode with fast and slow speed settings, and it is the best choice to decorate a garden on our patio, our pond, or where we like to have a good decoration with a light at the night and lights up a little bit. We have an aluminum frame solar panel, a fully sealed waterproof control box. The grid structure of the lamp body has more excellent stability and durability. The IP66 waterproof level, that means it can be withstand rainy and other bad weathers. And it charges during the day and works automatically at the night. We does not need for us to turn on or off it manually. We're saving time and effort. We can also make a nice view of our garden. Really cool. The charger has a 30%, 70%, and 100% charging indicator, which is very suitable for our use. It can be installed in the ground, or it can be mounted on the wall with included screws. Each ground light with 118 inches, 3-meter cable, and 180 degrees adjustable freely up and down to meet different requirements. And it looks really cool in my garden, as you can see. I attached it around the pond, and it looks really cool on the grass. I think it's really cool. The illumination should be positioned at suggested installation height. We do not prolong stare into the luminaire for more than 3 seconds within 2 meters. The light source is not replaceable when it reaches the end of its life, but these are about 50,000 hours. We have to replace it. Because the solar panel is charged during the day, it will turn on during the day only the recharging thing, but not the lightning effect. That means if we want to test the light during the day, we cover the solar panel to simulate a dark room, and then you can choose and look that it works proper. With the solar panel in a place with sufficient sunlight, the place like trees, shade, or grass will affect the charging effect. When we receive this, we can get an installation to the ground, as you can see here, or you can attach it with plugs and screws onto a wall or where you like. Really cool. We have here a control box for light and solar panel extension cord connections. We connect the male and the female ends to the extension cord and tighten the waterproof cap. Then we can see on the box we have an input and an output. The input is for solar panel. The output is for the spotlights. We have there an input charging input line, for example. Then we have a charging indicator light, red light. The light stays on during the charging time. The indicator light will charge brightness with the charging voltage. The brightness indicator light, low light level, green light, medium light level, yellow light, high level is the red light. This working indicator light, green light, the indicator light is always on during work. This means that the battery box can be work normally. Then we have a power switch there. On, off, long press 3 seconds to switch it on or off. and short press to switch the static mode, the strobe mode, the breathing mode, and the cycle. And we have a second switch there. This is the power switch to brightness switch. Short press to switch high, light medium, light low, and cycle. And the battery indicator light gives us information about 30% power, one light is on, 70% power, two lights are on, 100 power is three lights on. Less than 30%, no indicator lights will be seen. Then we can attach this. The solar panel needs to be installed in a place where there is insufficient sunlight. We know that the place like trees or shades or grass is not so good. So place it where the sun may attach or delivers the right sunshine to your solar panel. Solar powered 6,000 milliamp hour battery, 3 brightness levels, 3 color temperatures, IP66 waterproof, and 2 ways of installation. This is the MEIKEE 61 solar spot light with a nice solar powered device. It is 177 inches. These are 450 centimeter, 25 centimeter, 9.8 inches between the solar panel connection and the box. The first line is 450 centimeter from the solar panel to the box nearby or the connection. Then we have 25 centimeters to the first connection. Then we have 260 centimeter to the first spot, and this goes up to 6. Okay, every spot comes with a 260 centimeter wire. These are 102 inches. It's charging at the daytime and makes the job and light up at the night. We can make 3 colors temperature and 3 levels of brightness as we like. 2700K one wide, high brightness, medium brightness, low brightness, 4000K natural white or 6500K cold white. You can choose from. Easy peasy. And we have a memory function. It remembers our last settings. No need to rest it when it turn on again. It's cool because it comes to you 2 ways of installation. The solar panel and the light can be installed in the ground or mounted on the wall with included screws. It's IP66 waterproof. It can be withstand rainy and other bad weathers, better to long term. And it makes it cool at night and really cool shining solar powered garden, for example. This is the MEIKEE 61 solar lights for outdoor use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.